I greet you.
Ah, Ugo.
I greet you, Mama.
You know, there.
Thank you.
Email.
I'm fine, thank you, Mama. Mama, please, Jennifer, is she at home?
Ah, Jennifer.
Yeah.
She's not around.
But is she not back? Because we agreed that when she goes to town to get the form, she will come to the shop to come and tell me how it went. But I have not seen her. Hope no problem.
Was that the reason you left your shop and came looking for her?
Yes, so Mama. People who go to that town, sometimes you have to be praying until they return with all the that town, all the drunken drivers.
No
you know how important Jennifer is to me.
It's okay, I understand. She left early in the morning with one of her friends. Okay. And she came back not long ago. So I begged her to weed my corn plantation for me.
Oh, she's at the farm. Mama, please, where's the farm? I have to see.
It's okay, there is no problem. If you go through this track road, yes. The farm is not far from here. You see an opaka tree down the other building there. Mm. If you reach at that opaka tree, just shout her name. She will hear you.
Okay. Hey, Asanwa. You couldn't wait. So after submitting your form, straight to this place.
How did you find me here?
I ran to the house and your mother described this place is nice. Hey, Bukakwa.
Oh, Buka.
This is beautiful.
Very big one. How did you find me here?
Well, I started missing you. You know, I was at the shop. I had not seen
Who is at the shop?
Nobody. I don't care. My body was just shaking. I said, let me come and see you. Body was doing me.
My mother insisted I come to the farm. I'm sorry that I couldn't come to the shop first.
Are you sure you will finish within this place?
I can only do the one my strength can carry me.
I saw the cutlass. You don't need cutlass here now. You don't need cutlass here. You don't need cutlass to weed, especially these ones. These ones are not strong weeds now, so they are not from the root.
That's what I was doing now. That's exactly what I was doing. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Hey,
I can't believe you came here. I'm sorry that I didn't come to your show before coming here. My mom insisted I should come here first.
Are you serious? It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. But you're fine.
Very well,
I said it. I said it. That this man who is always opening his eyes like a terrified rabbit is a womanizer. But you should have waited for her to come back in the house than you tracing her to this farm for a knee trembler. Wonder shall never end. No wonder you were muzzling up for me the other day. I will find out who your parents are. And I'm going to advise them to warn you to desist from this obsessed promiscuity. Because people like you are very, very ready to walk straight into the land of spirit with women. And you. Your mother Muka is taking pleasure in banding my name around the community. Anyway, the only window of grace I'm going to allow to open is on the basis of consanguinity. And because your father, who happens to be her husband, is my younger brother. Otherwise, I would have uprooted this nonsense she planted here. I will allow her to have rest. After that, I'm going to jettison her from this land. Oh, come. Nonsense.
Please, what is consanguinity?
pay no attention to that man. I am very sure he doesn't even understand a word of what he said.
It's just that it sounds like sickness, consanguinity. You know, he was touching his vein.
Leave that man. He reeks of alcohol even. Oh.
Consanguinity, baby. I love you consanguinitically.
Oh, like I said, he does not understand a word of what he said here. He likes to blow big grammar.
Let's do the work and go home.
I'm very sure he doesn't understand it. Such a troublesome old man.
I'm telling you, consanguinity.
As you are leaving to school now, please, as you are leaving to school now, I don't want you to go and start misbehaving. Okay, Nana? Biko, just to respect yourself. Your brother and I will be coming to check on you all the time.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, I know all these things you're talking about. I am not going to school to misbehave. I will do my best to be of best behavior.
That's my daughter, okay. You said you have gotten a roommate. And who is she?
Mama, I do not know her. A friend of mine connected us.
So, Bado, you know what? Now, you are going to learn her character and she will learn yours. Please, I don't want you to have any issue with anybody. No? Because tolerance matters a lot. Learn to tolerate. You know?
Yes, Mama.
Please. Another thing is that make sure you pray every day. Prayer is everything. Okay, Nana? Prayer is everything. Don't miss to pray.
I will not.
Prayer is everything. Don't miss it.
I've heard you, Mama.
I don't have much to say. The only advice someone gives to him or herself is the best. Please, don't disappoint me.
Thank you, Mama. I will not disappoint you and Brother Ogona. I will do my best. You know I'm a good girl in normal day.
I know you. I'm just talking.
I know.
I'm just, you know, what a mother can do.
Mama, I'm awful.
No.
Huh?
What blood go see so? Are you aware that they have levied each family 5,000 naira for the community hall project?
For what? No, for what now, Mama? I don't understand. Why?
No, it's not only us. I mean, each family, every family in this community, in this community, they levy them 5,000 naira.
Mama, listen, look, I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Every other day, one financial obligation to the other. What is even wrong? What is the problem? Why would the government be asking us to give them money? Is the government not supposed to take care of us? Why is it the other way around? Now they'll use it to do the job that they're supposed to do. No. Wicked idiots. I'm tired.
No. But look at it now, Mama. Would I kill myself? I just opened a new business. I just opened shop. The shop has not even stood well. Look at double one day.
Ugonna, what is it? Every time I want to every time what is it? Eh? Because I just want you to have it in mind. Okay, Nanuya. Secondly, are you aware that Martha is leaving to school?
We've talked about it. I've sorted that out. You come here. Remember everything I told you?
Yes, brother.
I hope you remember everything I told you.
Yes, brother.
But that make me proud.
I will.
I don't know what is sweeting you.
Brother, smile now.
This is your brother, eh? Hey! You won't keep us. Hey!
Mama, you don't even know the right time to tell somebody about it.
Shut up!
Did you not see his face?
Just go inside. Then you're all talking about it. All parties go down somewhere.
Okay. So after the demise of my younger brother, your husband, the only thing you and your daughter find pleasure in doing is hugging and kissing in the bush and on my own land.
Mazilani, I don't understand what you're saying. What do you mean by my daughter hugging and kissing in the bush?
I know you won't understand because you are the same. It is said that birds of identical plumage congregate in a fundamental propinquity. You are the same. Eh? How can you explain the fact that the daughter of my own late brother is now a whack? I caught her in the bush with that dogo who looks like a froster, holding themselves passionately and romantically. Even the birds in the air and on the tree gathered together, watching them and flapping their wings, which is their own manner of clapping for approval. Is it good, Moka?
I don't understand the area you are coming from. You are complaining, and at the same time, you are saying that the birds in the wind are clapping and are clapping in approval, which means that what they are doing is good. So what do you? It's okay, no problem. I have heard what you said. When my daughter comes back, I will try and find out from her who the man is. The man she was holding and kissing in the bush, as you said. I will find out.
Well, if that is the way I interpret it, I will forgive your nations. But to say the least, it's a taboo. Yes, I'm not going to warn her again concerning seeing her and that type of human being who looks like one of the masquerade I saw in Maputo when I visited Mozambique last year. And as for you, just like I have warned you, immediately after harvesting whatever rubbish you planted on that land, don't enter that place again.
Mazilan, as you can see, I am preparing what I will eat. I am hungry. I don't have the strength to talk about that land. Biko, if you have finished telling me what you want to tell me, you can go back to your house.
But you have the strength of carrying my name around the nooks and crannies of this village and reporting me to your male friends. Okay, we shall see. We shall see.
Come back! Come back and continue ranting your mouth. I'm not fear. Useless man. You are dragging land with me. Your brother, your late brother's wife. If you're not here, Maggie, useless, senseless, and stupid man. No one I call idiot. They can drag here with me.
You want to buy something? What do you want to buy? Bobo and biscuits. One bobo, one biscuit. Have you have any biscuits? One. Wait, how much you give me? Okay, it's complete. Ah! Assam! Assam! Ugly now. Look at that. You're shy. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
I want to go and buy material for my school uniform. So that I can sew it before school starts.
Okay.
It's been 2 weeks and I haven't sewn mine.
Well, you told me that the school will provide school uniform.
The school will provide, but it is not a bad idea if I have an extra. I'll wash one and wear the other one. When the other one is dirty, I'll wash one.
That's true. That's true. You want to go now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. What do I have? Let me see what I have. You know what? Take everything. This should be enough. Take, go and take now. Go and sew your school uniform.
Thank you.
I know you look very smart in it.
Thank you very much.
I have not seen Martha for some days. Is she fine? Because it is unlike her. Staying away for days without coming around.
Martha has gotten admission in catering school.
That is good, very good. She has made a nice choice. I don't know why young women of nowadays run away from catering school where they teach vocational studies. They learn a lot in catering schools. But Martha did not tell me. I should have given her some pocket money.
You can send the money to her if you are serious.
Do I look like you that make empty promises? If she told me, I would have given her something very reasonable. Because Martha is the only one who goes on errand for me. No other person. And now that she's not around, it will be very hard for me. Are you aware that your sister's son, Ugonna, is dating Ilani's brother's daughter? It is said that most times he closes the shop he opened for business and follows the girl to the farm. Are you aware?
I wonder when men start gossiping. That man, Ilan, is a big fool. I know he brought this gossip to you. He should leave his brother's wife and daughter alone and stop taking their lands. Even if my sister's son, Ugonna, finds love in Muka's daughter, what is his business?
Are you supporting a young man who should mind his business and build up his life? Following women in the daytime? Leaving his shop closed. Is it good? See, I heard that he even go to the extent of weeding the farm for her.
Nine, has he ever come here to beg you for money? Even when the worst happened to him in the north. How many times have you called Ugonna for fatherly advice? Or are you not aware how much he contributed to see that your own son Ikenna graduated? Nine, tell Ilani to leave my sister's son Ugonna alone. Ugonna is old enough to know what he wants.
Okay.
I'll get it.
Okay. You have won. Go and carry the World Cup. Ugonna here, Ikenna there.
Sister, how are you?
I'm fine, my dear.
What about Ugonna? Have you gone to the shop?
Yes. This one you are asking about Ugonna. Hope all is well.
Sister, all is well. It's just that my husband told me about his relationship with Muka's daughter. I don't know if you are aware of it.
Muka? Which of the Muka are you talking about?
Sister, the Muka you know now, the one who went to choir with long time ago. The Muka that later got married to Ilu and his family.
Now I remember. Ugonna has not told me anything about that. Besides, I have not seen the girl around my house. Yes, but don't worry. I will be watching them. Yes, I will be watching them until I get them red-handed. Then I will know what to say.
Sister, you don't need to say anything. You don't have to say anything. If Ugonna likes him that much, he should tell us so that we can go and do the needful.
My dear, please, let's just forget about that one. So how is Ikenna?
That one. Have you heard from him? I heard from him last week. He said he was fine. Sister, all I want Ikenna to do is to get married. He needs to get married. Ikenna needs to get married. Sister, he's an only son. He is my only son. He needs to start a family.
Azuka!
Yes, sister.
People should allow that boy to enjoy his bachelorhood. At least he needs to plan himself very well before getting married. How can I do? What is all this marry everywhere? This is the same thing you are telling me now to tell Ugonna to get married to Muka's daughter. Eh? The same marry. Because you didn't want you. Ugo, you should have let me know. Eh? How can you be mingling with a girl in this village? Eh? To the extent of closing your shop and following her to the farm. Are you that cheap?
Mama, please now. Don't call me cheap. I know what I'm doing. Please. That I have found a girl that I like. Or if Ojo. And from what I claim, one like. And I'm showing her love and affection. At my age, Mama. It's not a bad thing now. It's not a bad thing. I want to bring her home so I can introduce her to you. Because I suspect that you might even know the mother, because I hear that in the olden days when you were much younger, that you and the mom belonged to the same group that used to go for choir practice. On the day you're talking about, I went to look for her at her mother's house. I was told that she had gone to the farm to go and help the mother. I started to run down there to, just quickly see her at the farm. Is that a bad thing?
Nah, please, I don't want you to do any mistake. You have suffered in life. I am your mother. I can't deceive you. And I heard that the girl is still a student. You don't need such. Where are you going to gather the muscle to be spending money on her? Tell me. Remember, Mata, your sister is still in school. All her expenses are on you. And you are still dragging another one to add to it. No. Chiri ya wayo. Choro onye nwere aka ọlụ. Choro onye nwere aka ọlụ ga-enyere gị aka na ndụ. Biko.
Mama, I'll be fine. Stop, you worry too much. I'll be fine. Please. Are you lacking anything? No. Is my sister Martha lacking anything? No. Talking about Martha, Ikenna has started sending Martha some money as a support. That would also help us. Please, I have found a girl that I really, really love, and I don't want anybody to come between us. Please, if nothing else, just give me your support. Why are you scolding me? I don't like it. My business is doing fine. I'm not complaining. The shop is doing okay. Is it not? We thank God for that.
Oh, thank God the shop is moving fine for work and out of where. Please leave that girl alone. You have suffered. Please, you need somebody that will help you, not someone that you will be helping.
Mama, please, just calm down. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Please, calm down.
More calm down.
Calm down, Mama. I love this girl. Let me bring her to you. You will like her too. Calm down.
I'd rather be in school hostel than spend money outside the school hostel. Where will my father get such money from? The problem is keeping the school hostel neat. Some students are just so dirty. It's bida. If they can keep the school hostel neat, there won't be a problem. Personally, I prefer staying in school hostel because it helps me read better.
Well, as for me, I think I'll prepare outside school. I don't like school hostel. Besides, one of my sisters who just finished from one of the universities said that if she should have another shot in school, she wouldn't want to stay in the school hostel. Jennifer, you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? I'll be going to school from the village. All of you know how I'm managing myself. Besides, how and where do you expect me to raise money and pay for a hostel? Hey, Bikokwa management can know. Hostel, okay.
Jennifer, don't worry. We'll live together and be sharing the money. It's not just 3 years and we're done. We'll manage. Oh? This school knows you are back.
Okay, since Lizzie has gotten a roommate, who would there be my roommate?
Why are you looking at me? I just told you I prefer staying in school hostel. Obi that came to this school before us, she's still living in the hostel and nothing happened to her. When you get your own apartment, you look for somebody that will be your roommate. As for me, I'm going to stay in the school hostel. Jennifer, you better go and see him now. Go and see him and tell him everything. He loves you. He loves you and wouldn't want to see you, lack anything. How can you be going from this village to school every day, spending for 400 naira? It's not going to work, It's not possible. Because I've already talked to my father and my elder sister.
Me. He's been spending so much on me. I'm already a burden.
He is spending on his wife. On his wife to be. If I see anyone that would love me this much or spend such money on my school, hey, I'll be the happiest person on earth. Besides, seeing you on this uniform will gladden his heart. So,
you are such a good advisor. Lizzie Flex.
Don't provoke me.
Okay. Would you love to go with me?
Before, let's go so I can be concurring to the topic.
Okay.
Let's move.
Do I even keep my mouth to say I want to pay for a hostel?
Jennifer,
this boy at Tagoroma.
No. I'm just coming back from the chemist now.
Okay, what did they say?
That's why I'm here to collect them. I don't know why.
Which chemist did you go to? The one down the road. So how much?
Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
They are greeting you now. Answer them.
Are you not Wokai daughter?
I am, Ma'am.
See, let me tell you something. You see my son here? He is still trying to build up his business. Okay, Nanya? And his younger sister is still in school too. I don't want whereby he will be spending money on any woman. Okay, Nanya? Leave my son alone. Happen mom with him. Okay, Nanya?
Ugo, chemist.
Just like that, come back. Come back. Why are you scared? Not so fast now. My mother has said that now. Have I asked you to leave? No. These things are normal. This is how mothers are. She's only worried for her son. She knows that I'm still struggling, to stand on my feet. And she knows that I'm the one who takes care of her and my sister. So she does not want me spending money unnecessarily. It's just that she didn't say it right. But you are a necessity in my life. Me and you will know. And that is a fact I want you to know. And that is a fact I am going to tell her when the time comes. Don't leave. Please. Mama. This is Jenny. And she's very, very special to me. Biko. Allow me bring her to the house later so that, we all sit down and we dialogue.
Please give me the money. Let me go and get the drugs.
Please, don't be angry. Don't be angry. It's your Uncle Iluani that caused all of this. Oh, you don't know what's happening. He went around telling everybody, how I left my shop, how I abandoned myself. I went to the farmland, I started cultivating for you and your mother. He went as far as telling Ikenna, my cousin. And then my mother heard about it. And since she has been nursing that bitterness, and that's why she reacted that way. You need to talk to your uncle.
Hi. God will punish that man. Wherever he is, may he die a miserable death. No, why is he wreaking havoc on us? Why is he smearing our names?
Jenny, you need to calm down, okay? These are the things everybody will see in life before success, so relax.
You heard your friend. These are things that you must go through before success would come. Forget him. But I'm here with you. Smile for me now. I'm here. Ugebwe. Baby, I'm here now. At least tell me how your day has been. Lizzie, what did you people do in school today?
We had practicals. This one, your mother has spoilt your mind. I don't even know how to say this.
Say what? Tell me, what is it? Obim, remember that the Bible says that we should look unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. Look unto me, and not my mother. For I will always be here for you. I am going to be your husband, and nobody can change that. I am here. Talk to me. What is it? Wife, man. Did something happen?
No. It's it is high time I got a hostel in school.
Okay.
It is expensive going to school from the village, and the risk implication as well.
I understand that.
So Lizzie and I have decided to contribute money to getting one.
Agujakwa. Is that it?
We will also contribute money and buy gas or stove, then foodstuffs.
Is that all? How is that a problem? It is done now. Hi. Is that why you're like this? Is that why your face is like this? You know it's not a problem. You know. Huh? Lizzie, it is okay. I'll provide the money. Go and get it. Eh? Go and look for a nice place, so, since the both of you will be sharing. Eh? I'll give you the money, don't worry. If it is done, I'll look for the money, I'll give it to you. Eh? I'll be your pillar. I'll be your strength. Eh? I'll not be alive, I'll watch you cry.
You are my treasure, I must be with you, and I will wipe your tears away. Oh, Bima, you are my treasure, I must be with you, and I will wipe your tears away. My lover, Osamili mama, Okaye Butema, Osagoda Muchali Emisi, Okaye Butema, Osamili mama, Okaye Butema, Osawu Chali Emisi, Okaye Butema. If na rain make it beat me, I must follow you, my love. If na sun make it hurt me, you're my treasure. If na rain make it beat me, I must follow you, my love. If na sun make it hurt me, you're my treasure.
Jennifer, is it not you? Has it gotten to the point that you will see Anna also titled Ichie like me? A title I acquired with fortune, and you will not greet me. Has it?
Yes, uncle. It has gotten to that. It is high time I started staying on my own. Why are you going about reporting me to everyone? What did I do to you? Allow me drink water and drop cup now.
You have done a lot to me. Yes, you've done a lot to me by disrespecting my person. Listen to me. In 1966, I was in the Federal Army. Somewhere down the line, we were compelled to come back home and fight for the future of people like you. I have never disrespected my superiors. I was involved in the last battle at Opi and Nsoka, which claimed the life of so many people, including my good friend, Tombiga. May his gallant soul rest in perfect peace. I managed to survive because of my discipline and rare bravery. Now tell me, in view of this intimidating resume, who are you to complain that I reported you to only God knows where? Who are you?
Uncle, I am not a gallant soldier. And I am not looking forward to becoming one. I am not brave. So, Biko, leave me alone. Why are you telling people that you saw Ugonanai kissing in the farm? Why? Why are you going about spoiling my name?
Oh, so Ichie Iluane has now become a liar? I'm now a liar. Okay, tell me, what did I catch you and that womanizer doing in that bush? I caught you in flagrante delicto, that is red-handed, hobnobbing. Alright, I'm not going to dissipate much energy on you until I get back home. By the way, I have seen you putting on a white and white, whether nurse or whatever. I hope your mother will not come and start asking for money from me, because I can't part with even a dime.
Uncle Biko, you better start saying the truth. Eh? Why would an old man like that be lying? Eh? That you saw Ugonna and I kissing in the farm. Ugonna helped me, came to the farm. He helped me. He was helping me because he walked through war. But why you want to see? Why is he lying? You saw what Ugonna told us.
Leave him to make his choice. If he has made up his mind, there's anything anybody will tell him that he will listen to.
Cheikobi, I want to tell you something. Ugonna has suffered. I don't want him to have a liability. The girl is beautiful, I know. She can give me beautiful grandchildren. But for Ugonna to start contributing for her education is what I don't want. I don't want it. But let her go.
But how are you sure that Ugonna is responsible for her school fees and all that? Why are you saying that?
We all know Moka and her daughter in this village. She doesn't do anything except the farm work. Is it from that farm work that she is doing that she is getting money to pay her daughter's school fees? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Please, I don't want that relationship to continue. Let it end, please. That's what I want.
Sister, I don't want you to be an enemy. Because if Ugonna finally marries her, she is going to hate you. And hatred between mother-in-law and daughter-in-law will set in. I will advise you calm down. Have mother and son discussion with Ugonna. It will be better that way, sister.
And if he refuses to hear you, just leave him. He is man enough to know what he wants.
Okay. What is it? What is it, Mama?
I just came back from the farm and I started feeling pains all over my body, especially my waist.
What did you do?
Nothing, no. I wanted to cook, but he did not allow me.
It's okay, Mama. Say no more. I have some money in my purse. Let me quickly go to the chemist and get you some drugs. Oh, let me go to the chemist. Yeah. I'm coming. I'll be right back.
Hey, sorry, oh.
Any year when there is no serious harmattan, fruit is always scarce.
Good afternoon,
sir. From the other mother. So, but excuse me. Now, let me ask you, what did you do to this your brother's daughter? Didn't you notice that she didn't greet you?
Ichukando. Let me give you an analogy of what has just happened. In 1956, when we were negotiating for our independence, there was this serious quarrel between Dr. Zeke's NCNC and Awolowo's Action Group. By then, I was an ADC to Mr. Scott, a British. During this, one of these important meetings, everybody has just seated before Dr. Zeke came. When he came in breezing in with his entourage, he did not exchange any pleasantry with Awolowo. Instead, he went straight as the crow flies to his seat. The meeting went on very well. After all, they say, all is well that ends well.
Yes.
Forget about this very screen smoke and the mesmerism of greeting. Because greater part of them are done perfunctorily, anyhow. Only a finitesimal aspect of it are done passionately. So forget about this.
This grammar is too much for me.
I know you ate your school fee
Yeah.
And as such, I am not responsible for your analphabetism.
Yeah,
I simply means your illiteracy. Stop shouting this thing.
Now, listen to me. Forget about this year historical events and the dates. 1966, 1954, 19 Credim. What I am telling you is this. You are not doing the right thing. Amend your ways. The day she will get married, you must be the father. Not will, you must be the father. Therefore,
that is tomorrow. The day she will. Wait, when we get to the bridge, we will cross it. But let me ask you for now. The mother, Nwoka, since the demise of my younger brother, her husband, has she realized that as the brother-in-law, that I'm her husband now? Even Utwacha, has she recognized that in lieu of her dead father, that I'm the father now? Has she? Look, I'm going to deal with them. Yes, even if you like, join them. I will bulldoze all of you. After all, that's why I'm a juggernaut.
1956, 1966, 1920. I am smart jogging.
Then try me. I have told you I will bulldoze all of you, including you. What did you say from me?
Waist pain. She's in excruciating pain.
Hi. I see medicine. Has she taken her medicine?
I just got the medicine from the chemist. There's no food in the house.
Hi. Hi. So she has not taken this medicine? Yeah, take. Come on, go and buy food. Take this money. Buy food for Mama. You buy for her, buy for yourself too. I am sure that if she takes this medicine and eats, she'll be better. I don't think it's anything serious. Let's not panic. Calm down, she'll be fine. It's just that sometimes I worry for Mama. How will she cope now when you go to the hostel with farm work and everything?
No. You don't have to bother about me. I will cope. The school is more important. As for the farm, I will hire laborers. Take care of it.
Okay, Mama, don't worry, we'll find a way. I will also come once in a while to help you. Food. You can get her food.
Let me go and buy food, right?
Food.
Hello, babe. Yeah, how are you? I'm fine. Yes, I just came back to the village now. Mama called me over on an emergency meeting, but I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. How is school? Okay. But I suppose you'll be here now. Come on, you come to see me. Don't worry, I'll send the transportation fare. Yes, I'll be waiting. Don't keep me waiting. Alright, bye. Love you.
You said Ugonna paid for a hostel in the school. Yes, Mama. But I thought I told you. You did not tell me. I still find it strange why this boy has been this good to you since you met him. Has he said anything about marriage again?
No, Mama. He hasn't.
He paid for your school fees. He gave you money for the form. He bought sandals, bought bags and other things for you. Now, he has paid for the hostel. What a nice man. May his pockets never run dry.
Amen.
God will keep on blessing him.
Amen.
And now, my BP is normal, all because of him. Since your father died, no one has been this good towards us.
Mama, it's okay. You said enough. Eat so that you can take your drugs.
It's okay.
We go by.
Ha! I take it international.
Anna, we go by.
Oh no, but
is it get all down?
You're not shine. No.
You're
not go.
I don't want to know.
No, I want to come. Paleti go mas. Sit down, give you. Is it? Iji mugwa.
Whose car is this? Who parked this car?
I don't know. I came back and saw the car parked here. I don't know who came.
Did you in any way discuss with your son Ikenna about coming back from the city to this village?
Yes, but it's not at home when I came back.
Because even if Ikenna is coming back to this village, I should be called on phone. You used to call me. See, I'm even suspecting you for arranging secretly for your son coming into the village without me knowing. You see? I will see the person that parked this car.
IPK.
Mbuba.
IKK. Let me tell you, since I met this girl, my life has changed. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what's happening.
You mean it?
Every time she makes a demand, every time she wants something, I tell her, baby, I'll give to you. Go and rest. The money just comes from nowhere. I'm telling you, most times I'm shocked. I begin to ask myself, does that girl have connections with water spirit? Because I hear that most of them carry good luck.
They do now. Yeah. And I got sure they do. In fact, if you see a girl that brings you some fortune, yeah, good idea. You understand? Hold that tight before another man takes that from you. I'm telling you. Guess like, in fact, so how far have you gone now?
We're doing fine. We're doing fine. She's a very serious person. I like that about Jenny. She's a very serious girl. So right now she's studying nursing in one of the best nursing schools in Nollywood. Oh yes, and as a matter of fact,
nursing school like
3-4 years ago.
Wow.
She's studying nursing there. But she'll soon pack and go back to school fully because I paid for a hostel accommodation for her. He said, wow, out of campus. I love the girl. What can I do?
You have tried though. See, as a matter of fact, if you find a girl like that, because I don't believe in this school of thought that says the moment you help a girl and then she stands, she will just abandon him and go piawaga. You both have been through thick and thin. You understand me? You pick this girl from the trenches.
If you know how much that girl loves me. If you know how much that girl, if you see me and Jenny, if I'm not Jenny, love and go. If you know how much that girl loves me, you know what she calls me? She calls me Ugo.
Uyo. And what do you call her in return?
I call her baby.
Meme.
Asam.
Meme.
Omalechangu.
Say.
Ugebo.
Anyanwu
Ototo. Should I continue?
Yagazi. Mana nwe nke kacha mkpa. Soribo. Yeah.
What's your problem? What's your problem? That is not the truth. Listen, I don't want her to have an impression that I'm doing all of this because of sex. My love for her is real. However, we have a plan. By the time she's done with school, on the night of her final exams, I'll close the shop for one night. Take her somewhere really nice. And light candle, make any romantic. You know how white people do these things. Make it very romantic, and then I'll now take what belongs to me in a very special way. After that, I'll proceed, pay her bride price, and we start a family.
Well, have a special night, have a taste by moonlight. These things don't exist. So that she will remain loyal. He has to remain loyal. And he just don't bring that Lego. See, when we're in school, that's how they will come and be giving us stories like, my mother will test my virginity, my father will come and assess me to know if I've been broken. You're no scam. And I can't see that in our school. Then this girl was forming. Oh, my father is a pastor, my mom is a deaconess. Yeah, can't in a room. Mbadike on it. Heaven, hell. Now I say decide.
I ended up as a gossip. No. And he's gossiping to you and your mama, please.
Hey, gonna stop raising your voice at me. What is wrong with you? I told you to go and marry Nkechi, who works at the microfinance bank, but you refuse. Following that useless girl up and down. Every time you will lock up your shop and be following her like idiots.
My shop is not your shop. I'm the one that looked for the money to open that shop. I run around, I carry things on my head to open that shop. If I decide to close it to help the woman that I love, if I decide to... What's that sound?
I did not say anything.
Better not say anything if I break your head. What is it? I know you don't love her. You don't love Jennifer, but she's the one that I love. She's the one that I love. When you were marrying my father, was I there to help you make a choice whether to marry him or not? Why would you want to put your finger in my love life? Mama, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. I don't like it.
Brother Ugo, listen to Mama, please.
Huh? Did you just talk? Will you shut up? What do you know? What do you know? Oh, you want to gang up with your mother against me, eh? You want to gang up with your mother against me? Remember, I'm the one that pays your school fees. If I ignore you, we're going to rot in this village as a stark illiterate. Look at you, idiot. What do you know about love? Eh? Do I not take care of you? Now I'm asking you, Martha, do I not take care of you as a big brother? Is it that I ignored my own sister and started taking care of somebody else? Eh? Why are you two ganging up against me? What is it?
So you are ranting just because I advised you the way a mother should advise her son, okay? That's why you are shouting, making noise so that all the neighbors will be hearing your voice, okay? Oh yeah, go ahead. Continue. Continue shouting. I'm not here. All I want to tell you now is that my word stands.
And I have also taken my stance, Mama, and that is final. It is my life.